European champs to be in London, that's just a great thing because it's almost like rekindling some of that 2012 vibe, which is it's amazing. Like to have a home advantage, a home crowd, really gives you that boost to do a better performance. So yeah, I'll be looking to do a good performance in European champs in front of all my family and friends. It'll be fantastic. Definitely, that London pool is where I went 100 points on a single dive for the first time in the Olympic Games with my front 4.5. It's a pool that I know very well, that I love training and I love competing in. So that's just another tick in the box for me. Yeah, sure. European Champs is kind of, it has elements of the big event that that Olympics will be. In the fact of you'll be queuing on the boards longer. You know, there's more people in there. You've got more countries kind of competing, whatever. Like World Series is very, very fast. Like you'll dive and then you instantly are diving again. So like Europeans is going to be a bit more of a hit out that we can kind of mould it into how we're going to kind of shape our Olympic competitions, which I think is really good.